In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add organization experience on LinkedIn. Whether you're new to the professional world or looking to spruce up your LinkedIn profile, adding your organizational experience is a great way to showcase your professional journey and connect with opportunities. LinkedIn, being the powerhouse that it is for professional networking, offers a streamlined way to highlight your career experiences and achievements. Let's start from the very beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is visit the LinkedIn website. Once there, you can sign in using your Google account for quick access, or continue with your LinkedIn account credentials. Sometimes LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for additional security measures. This is just a way to ensure that you're indeed human and not a robot trying to gain unauthorized access. Once you're successfully signed in, navigate to the top right corner of the page where your profile photo is located. If you haven't set up a profile photo yet, you might see a default avatar or initials there. Clicking on this photo or avatar will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View Profile to proceed to your LinkedIn profile page. This is where all the magic happens, where you can control how others see your professional persona. On your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. It's usually positioned towards the top of your profile, right below your cover photo and headline. Clicking this button will display a series of options related to various sections of your profile. Within those options, you'll find one labeled Additional. Clicking on Additional will further expand your choices, providing you with more ways to enrich your LinkedIn profile with your personal achievements and experiences. Among these new options, you'll see Add Organizations. This is precisely where you need to click to begin adding your organizational experience. Whether it's a non-profit you've volunteered with, a professional association you're a member of, or a company you've worked for, this is the place to add those details. Once you click on Add Organizations, you'll be directed to a form where you can fill in the specifics of your organizational involvement. This includes the name of the organization, your role, the time period you were involved, and a brief description of your responsibilities and achievements. Taking the time to fill this out thoroughly can provide a richer understanding of your professional background to those viewing your profile. After you've filled in all the necessary details about your organization experience, the last step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or the top right corner of the form. And there you have it. Adding your organizational experience to your LinkedIn profile not only allows you to showcase a more comprehensive view of your professional journey, but also enhances your profile's visibility and attractiveness to potential employers and connections on LinkedIn. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is an essential tool in today's digital era for networking and job searching. Keeping it updated with all your professional experiences, skills, and achievements can significantly impact your professional opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your LinkedIn profile. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on navigating the professional world.